It's a pride thing. The Shuttleworth name, it's still on the building, it's still on the product.
We're not just a catalog company. We truly dive in and work with our customers to find the answer to their problems.
I mean, innovation here is second to none.
We don't say no to an opportunity. We look at it as, how can we make this happen?
When Jim Shuttleworth owned this company, we were just providing maybe just a few conveyors and maybe just a little bit of integration. But the world's changed. I mean, our customers are bigger. The demands of consumer products is different. In order to grow, we have to understand what our customers need. And as a part of that, we've also got to understand, hey, we've got to start integrating some innovative sort of products.
We try to find out what it is that they need and do the best that we can to help them solve that challenge.
A lot of people just say, here's a box of parts, good luck to you. We work really hard to try to understand your application and how to address it and fix it for you, and then we stand behind that.
There's a lot of conveyor companies or material handling companies that will have belts or plastic chain, mat top, tabletop, which is great and we use in some of our applications, but our platform, Slip-Torque, is really what makes us unique.
The Slip-Torque product still has and serves the principle that it always was developed for, and that's the low back pressure, the gentle handling, the accumulation properties of the product.
Would you walk in with Slip-Torque, okay, it's running, put your hand on it. Hey, most conveyors, I don't want to put my hand on that. That thing's gonna, it's gonna nip my fingers or it's gonna do something like that. It's safe to work around, it's safe to touch.
We're so diversified in many sectors. One minute we're doing a lot of food and beverage applications, we're doing paper applications, we do solar applications.
Because our customers are ever changing and we never know what the product is, and so we need to offer everything to accommodate what our customers truly need and what they are conveying, what kind of product they're conveying.
The core technology is our Slip-Torque, but everything that we build off of comes from that core. So a lot of our devices, our stacking and our indexing and everything that we do is built off, well, hey, I was doing this, but I need really to divide this. I need to flip it over. I need to stack it. Can you do that?
Over the past handful of years, we've been integrating more and more devices into our systems. Blade stops and stackers and lane dividers and lots of different things, and so that's where the innovation is really heading for us now.
The field of robotics has come a long way, and combined with Slip-Torque technology, together with various devices that we offer, especially servo type devices, robotics, things like that. We kind of like put the package together. Many years ago we were just a company that just offered conveyor. Today we provide the total package.
I believe Shuttleworth has been successful because of the people and the will to be successful, to be proud of a solution, to be proud of a product, to be proud to serve a customer.
A lot of employees have been here for many, many years, and that shows a lot about a company today.
The tribal knowledge that we have here. We've got so many people that have been here for so many years that just know all the niches of how to make the product work the best way possible for each specific scenario that we run across.
We have a lot of people, engineers and assemblers and fabrication that go above and beyond to meet a deadline for a customer or go above and beyond when it comes to testing to make sure that it's 100% correct and it's going to work in the field the way that the customer wants.
We find an application, we talk with a customer and understand their challenge. We come back here and the first people we're talking to is the applications and engineering group.
You know, we just try to ask a bunch of questions and really truly understand all the pain points that they have and what it is that they need to get out of the system that we're designing for them.
The support, it goes on well after the system's been installed and after it's been used for many years. That's the kind of support we offer.
we're going back to that same customer. We're not selling them that one system and walking away. We're going back to that same customer and sitting in front of them talking about, okay, we solved this challenge, what's your next challenge you have? And how can we help you there?
Once we provide the first solution to them and they see how well it works, they see how gentle it handles their product, they want that again. They want that ingenuity, they want that customized solution for their process to help put them above their own competition.
I think innovation is the reason we're still here and still doing the things that we're doing at the levels we're doing them.
How to make your line more efficient, how to get more throughput. That little buffer, the little accumulation does wonders.
If you can provide a solution for somebody, you did something. You helped them. You're increasing their throughput. You're eliminating waste. And when you just provide a conveyor, you just hope. You're just hoping that you provided a solution for them.
And I think that's what sets us apart, is because we're constantly asking, how can we help you make your product convey the way you need it to?